Lesson 8, page 12. The library is in D minor position in both hands. Lots of ties here. You're going to play this in the beginning, hold this down and strike it here, and then strike it here, and there, very quietly at the end here. And the right hand is just playing seconds and thirds, pretty simple intervals, and there are numbers above the right hand, the treble clef part. Okay, counting to 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go up 1 octave from the beginning with the duet. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we're now going to look at page 14. 14 talks about legato. Legato means to play the notes smoothly and connected. A slur over or under the notes means to play legato. So the slur can be under the notes or over it. Either way, it means to play legato. And slurs are different pitches. Now ties are the same pitch, like from this middle C to this one, that's a tie. Or this D to this D here is a tie. So try to remember that the tie connects the same pitch, the slurs connect different pitches. So on smoothies, there are no ties here. It's all slurs, pretty simple to play this. You have a slur here and a slur here. To play all that connected, I want you to try to think of making a crescendo, even though there's not a crescendo marked here. Get a little bit louder to the middle, and then get a little softer at the end, and then lift your hand at the end. A little lift of your wrist to end that phrase. Then the next phrase starts with the left hand. Try to get a little crescendo here to the middle, and then a diminuendo to the end, and then lift your wrist at the end of the phrase. Very simple notes. See if you can do the phrasing. That's called phrasing. Getting louder to the middle, softer, and then lifting at the end. And also you want to lift your fingers in the air when you do this. Okay? 1, 2, right thumb play. Getting louder here. Now softer. Lift. Start soft. Getting louder here. Now softer. Back to the beginning. Getting louder now, softer. Start soft. Adding weight to get louder, and now softer to the end. Okay, we're now going to look at page 6 in the Performance 1B book. The County Fair is in 4/4 time. Forte, mezzo forte, and then piano. Big changes. Think of this as like 9 on your volume. This is about 7 on the volume. And this is about 1 on the volume, and then back to 9. And there are finger numbers below the bass clef and numbers above the treble clef that you need to look at. Read these notes by intervals. Everything is a second or a third, and there's a couple of harmonic fifths, like right here's a harmonic fifth, right there too. But everything else is pretty much a third or a second. So the County Fair is just like this. The right hand is here, the left hand is here. Starts with that left hand 5 really loud in the beginning. 1, 2, ready, begin. one octave higher up here. 1, 2, ready, play.